तो आप सभी को फ्री करंट अफेयर में स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ते हैं आज यानी कि 3 मई 2021 का कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर के बारे में। चलिए फर्स्ट हम जानते हैं आज का दिन क्या है। आज है वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे। ओके, इसको प्रेस फ्रीडम डे के बारे में भी जाना जाता है। Every year May 3rd is a date which celebrated the fundamental principle of press freedom to pay tribute to the journalists who have lost their lives in the exercise of their profession. First celebrate किया गया था 1993 को और this year the theme is information as public good. This is very important. Sometimes the in exam asks what is the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2021. Okay, this type of again there is a report published by Reporters Without Border World Press Freedom Index. Okay, World Press Freedom Index is published by Reporters Without Border. India rank is 142 out of 180 countries. Okay, Norway is in top. Okay, the next in person is now Amit Banerjee has been selected as the chairman and managing director CMD of Bharat Earth Mover Limited. Bharat Earth Mover Limited, a mini Ratna defense PSU under the Ministry of Defense. Okay, our defense minister is Rajnath Singh. Okay, भारत अर्थ मूवर लिमिटेड का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पर है? बेंगलुरु में। ये 1964 को एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। ओके, यहाँ पर और है पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड। हेड ऑफ पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड इज मल्लिका श्रीनिवासन. यू हैव टू remember this now. Okay, sometimes in banking or SSC exam, single multiple choice exam, sometimes it is asked. Then Amitabh Chaudhary, Axis Bank reappointed Amitabh Chaudhary as MD and CEO. Axis Bank board has approved the reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhary as its managing director and CEO for 3 years. He was earlier as MD and CEO of HDFC Standard Life Insurance. The appointment will be subjected to the approval of the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, Reserve Bank is the Central Bank of India. Whenever there is appointment of CEO and MD, it is prior approval from RBI. After RBI clearance, then he or she will appoint as the MD and CEO. Okay, एक्सिस बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? मुंबई पर है। ये कब एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था? 1963 को। ओके, देन नेक्स्ट न्यूज जीएसटी कलेक्शन इन अप्रैल 2021 सेट्स ऑल टाइम हाई रिकॉर्ड ऑफ 1.41 लाख करोड़। ओके, जीएसटी क्या है? गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स. The goods and services tax revenue collected in the month of April 2021 stood at all-time high record of Rs 1.41 lakh crore, suggesting economic activity may not yet be as badly affected amidst the ongoing second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic as last year. Okay. लास्ट ईयर क्या हुआ था आप सभी को पता है, जो कोविड के कारण फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे देश में जो लॉकडाउन हुआ था, इसी कारण जीएसटी में कुछ कमी आए थे. अप्रैल जीएसटी कलेक्शन सरपास द प्रीवियस हाईएस्ट कलेक्शन ऑफ 1.24 लाख करोड़ इन मार्च 2021. इट वाज इंक्रीज बाय 14%. ओके, इन अप्रैल लास्ट ईयर एज इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी हैड ग्राउंड टू द होल्ड amidst a national lockdown, their indirect collection has dipped to 32,172 crore. The main factors which have contributed to the steady increase in tax revenue are as follows. Deep data analysis through data from multiple sources using GST, income tax, custom IT system, closure of monitoring against fake billing. Next, we know what is GST. GST, the goods and services tax. GST is a value-added tax VAT purported to be comprehensive indirect tax levy on manufacture, sale, and consumption of goods as well as services at national level. It replaces all indirect taxes levied on goods and services by the Indian central and state government. It aims at being comprehensive for the most goods and services. GST, the goods and services tax, is Canadian value added tax. Okay, Canada. We have to remember the country name Canada. Levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. In India, this tax levied to abolish multiple indirect taxes in the country. There are four GST types, namely Integrated Goods and Service Tax (IGST), SGST (State Goods Services Tax), Central Goods Services Tax, and the Union Territory Goods and Services Tax (UTGST). GST will comprise five basic rates: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Okay, 0% is not calculated. GST bill passed in Parliament in 2016 and effect in India from 1st July 2017. Officially known as the Constitution 101st Amendment Act 2016, GST replaces indirect tax levied on goods and services by the Indian central and state government. GST first introduced in 2014 H 122 Amendment Bill. Okay. Okay, Supreme Court is the highest authority for appeal under GST. Article 246A states a power to tax goods and services. Article 279A GST Council to form by the President to administrator and govern GST. Its chairman is Union Finance Minister. Now Union Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay, next. State Assembly election result 2021. We know that there was election in 4 states and 1 union territory. Okay. The Mamata Banerjee led Trinamool Congress pulled off the spectacular victory in a high-stakes electoral battle, touching BJP to form government for a third consecutive term in West Bengal. Okay. Tamil Nadu MK Stalin is said to become the state chief minister with DMK-led alliance leading at least 145 seats. Kerala, the Pinarayi Vijayan-led LDF government scripted history by returning power the first time in 4 decades that the same grouping will form the government for the second consecutive time. The CPM-led LDF alliance is projected to win around 97 seats in the 140 member assembly. The BJP Assam emerged as the lone bright spot with the ruling India projected to win 77 out of 126 seats to return power in this state. Meanwhile, in Pondicherry, the India looked set to form the government with NR Congress winning 8 seats and its ally BJP securing 4 seats in 30 member house. Okay. Apart from this, we know about Election Commission of India. Election Commission is a constitutional body formed 25 January 1950. Election Commission is mentioned on Part XB of the Indian Constitution and mentioned in Article 324. It was responsible for election to the Parliament, state legislature, of office of the President and Vice President. Election Commission consists of one Chief Election Commission and 2 Election Commission. Our Chief Election Commission is Sushil Chandra, appointed by the President. Term Election Commission term 6 years or until they attain 65 years, whichever earlier. He should be not reappointed. CC removed from office. Resolution passed by the Parliament. Same as a judge of SC. but election commission is removed by president after consulting with the chief election commission. Okay. Election Commission comes under Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India, State Election Commission, Article 243K. Then we know about Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the real executive power of the state. State executive consists of Governor, CM, Council of Ministers, and Advocate General of State. Four articles related to the same: Article 163, Article 164, Article 166, Article 167. Article 160 is important for now condition. Now CM Mamata Banerjee, defeated in Nandigram, but can still become CM as she gets a seat in state legislature within 6 months. This is mentioned in Article 164, subsection 4. A minister who is not a member of the Legislative Assembly shall cease to be a minister at the end of 6 months. Okay. For the Prime Minister of India, Article 75, subsection 5 mention that he should be elected as Prime Minister if he secures a seat in either House of the Parliament within 6 months. Okay. Earlier, Goa CM Lakshmikant Paraskar 2017, Jharkhand CM Arjun Munda 2014, UP CM Yogi Adityanath 2017 elected this time in accordance with the Article 164. Okay, next. Japan order to rising sun honor to Bengaluru teacher Shyamalal Ganesh. Okay. Japanese government recently awarded the order of rising sun to a Bangalore-based teacher, Japanese teacher Shyamalal Ganesh. She is Japanese teacher at the Septuagenarian institution and also at the O'Hara School of Ikebana in Atinagar, Bengaluru. Okay. The award is presented to those who have made distinguished achievement in the promotion of Japanese culture, achievement in international relations, advancement in their field, and conservation of the environment. Okay, Japan, we know about something about Japan. Japan is country in East Asia. Japan is an island country in East Asia located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. Okay. Japan capital is Tokyo. National language Japanese. Currency Japanese yen. Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga. Okay, next. WHO listed Moderna COVID-19 vaccine mRNA 1273 for emergency use. The WHO has issued emergency use of the Moderna vaccine mRNA 1273. Okay, Moderna has contracted with the Lonza Group to manufacture the vaccine at a facility in Portsmouth, New Hampshire in the United States and the VIPS in Switzerland. Validation from WHO. WHO क्या है? WHO है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक हेल्थ को केयर करती है. It is a special agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. The WHO consultation, which established the agency governing structure and principles, state its main objective as the attainment by the people of the highest possible level of health. हेडक्वार्टर क्या यहाँ पर है? जेनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. फाउंडेड कब किया था? 7 अप्रैल 1948 को. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. Jaishankar to visit London for J7 Foreign Minister meeting from 3 to 6 May. As per the statement released by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will be visiting London from 3 to 6 May 2020. Participate in the G7 Foreign Minister meeting. India has been invited as a guest country in the meeting. The group 7 group of seven, each an intergovernmental organization consisting of कौन member है यहाँ पर? Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States. Okay, along with the heads of government of the member state as well as representative of the European Union meet at the annual G7 meeting in March 2014. In March 2014, Russia was suspended by G7 members from the political forum G8 following the annexation of Crimea. After the suspension in January 2017, the Russian Federation decided to permanently leave the G8. It was confirmed in June 2018. Okay, G7 का फॉर्मेशन किया गया था 1975 को. Next, USA approved proposed sale of 6 P-8I petrol aircraft to India. Okay, the US government under the leadership of President Joe Biden on April 13, 2020 approved the sale of 6 P-8I petrol aircraft to India for an estimated cost of USD $2.42 billion. The proposed sale of an additional 6 P-8 aircraft will allow Indian Navy to expand its maritime surveillance aircraft (MSA) capability for the next 30 years. P-8I aircraft is a variant of Boeing P-8 Poseidon aircraft that serves as a replacement for the US Navy P-3 fleet. Next, scientists discovered the smallest non-black hole in the Milky Way galaxy dubbed the Unicorn. Scientists have discovered what may be the smallest non-black hole in the Milky Way galaxy and the closest to our solar system, an object so curious that they nicknamed the Unicorn. The black hole is located about 1,500 light years. The distance of light travel in a year is 9.5 trillion kilometers from Earth. While it may be the closest one to us, it's still far away. By way of comparison, the closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri, is 4 light years away. Okay, next, Sitar Master Pandit Debu Chaudhary passed away. Sitar Master Pandit Debu Chaudhary has passed away following COVID-19 related to complications. The legend of Sitar belongs to the Senya or Gharana style of music. He had been awarded Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. He belongs to